So hey guys, welcome back. This is me, Kushina Uzumaki, and today we will react on new Kishinpain's video. He uploaded a video yesterday in night, so I couldn't react on it yesterday. I slept. So I will react on it now. We will react on it now. So yeah, get ready, take some snack or some drink, sit somewhere and chill. And now, let's begin. Alright, Kishinpain's logo.
My dream is to become Datebayo! I mean Okage!
Okay.
Your dream is stupid.
Why did you calling him dumb? Like, both has like nice dreams.
Dream be better than mine!
Oh.
What do you want?
Alright.
You know what? I want two big fat tits.
Jokes
Oh.
on you, say!
I didn't know Denji is gay. I thought he liked girls, but okay. What is that? Oh, no way, Naruto. Why? Oh my gosh, Denji, calm down.
Now!
Oh my. Naruto, no. Please, no. Oh my gosh, Naruto. Naruto just did the little clown. What is the bite for? Hona can turn someone's on. No, just imagine that he will go to, I don't know, jungle and he will meet some tiger or something, and a tiger will just bite you. And he'll be like, he bite me. That turned me on. What the hell, lol?
Hey! You tried to abuse me! I'm gonna race and cut your ass!
No, you can't.
Oh, he can.
You're rebooting.
If they will verify, Denji will win because he's one of the strongest anime characters. But still. So yeah, this will be all. There wasn't much about to react on because how they talk there, I just listened more what they talking about, you know. But what I can say, Denji and Naruto are pretty sus. Not like Shiroklan from Naruto is like normal thing, but more Denji is turning to gay. Like I will probably name the video how Chasen Man turned to gay. So yeah, if you like, give me a like. Tell me in comments what you think about this video. And if you will love to see me react on some other video or something else, you can tell me in comments too. Or you can text me in Discord, in server, which has like link under my video or somewhere else. So yeah, bye!